Dear and welcome to Pocket Rocket game basic tutorial. Now part 1. Now I'm titling this part 1 because it's going to encompass everything so far that you have about Pocket Rocket game, what you should know and what you should be doing, because everything is really taking shape gradually. So if this is your first time here, I want to say thank you to you. I appreciate you so much. You are really appreciated. So I want to get this in series. I wouldn't want this to be too long. Maybe I want to see if I can restrict this particular video to 5 to 7 minutes as first part, and then repeat the next one and the next one so that you get real value within a short time. Okay, so first I want to restart the app, and then I'm going to show you the roadmap first. Then we'll start the discussion. If this is your first time, thank you very much. I appreciate you. And for returning subscriber, merci beaucoup. Gracias. All right. And let's go ahead and like, comment, share, subscribe, smash the notification bell so that you'll be very first to get notified as soon as I drop the next one. Okay, so quickly let's get down to it. Let me refresh the app. Reload page. Okay, so now I'm pausing this so you see the roadmap for Pocket Rocket game. And it says we want to share about our future updates and hope that you will stay with us for a long time. So now look at the updates. Pocket Rocket launch first, leaderboard, galaxies, end program, space spin and with crypto rewards, daily reward system. Then you have the space shooter, garage, daily combo. After that you have the multiplayer, NFT spaceship drops rather. Then finally the airdrop. That's it. Go through this checklist again. You can see everything is checking out. Just 3 more steps to the airdrop. Even the NFT spaceship drop is also a very valuable resource and asset you can actually keep. Let's go. Continue. Okay, so now with this game, you hit those crystal balls. You hit them. I don't know why it's not tapping. Okay, mine is not tapping right now. I don't know what's going on. So let me check the apps, the segments. Okay, now let's come here. Let's quickly deal with this side. So go back there. You see the free daily boost. Please make sure to always use that. Empty this tank. It's not difficult to empty. This double is just as you tap on it, get instant bonus in crystal rocks and start hyperloop journey. Available 3 times, 3 over 3. So just act now. You see that the balance here, 38 million 07 will increase. You see 38 million 211. Okay. Now, that's about that one. Let's go to boost again. Now here you have I'll talk about this one later on. Here you have the upgrade for rockets. You see, for wings, you pay. The next one I could pay is 20.4 million, and it's running 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. That's so much, See this one, see this, all this you can boost. Now let me explain this. Autopilot, look at it, helps to continue mining crystal rocks even when you are not in the game. Okay, once its pilot has been away for 4 hours, so this one it mines while you're away for 4 hours. The total autopilot reward is calculated based on current levels of wings. So I'm going to demonstrate this probably in the next video because there won't be time for this one because I don't want this to exceed 7 minutes. And how many minutes already have we done already? About 1 or 2. Okay, so here this one is the reactor, which helps to increase your energy restoring rate by 1 point per second. And then the fuselage boosts energy capacity of spaceships. Okay, then you have this one, wings. My this wings now helps to increase Crystal Rock's win by 1 point per tap. And then we'll go here now. So this tap now, as you tap here now, you can see 16. Okay, it starts at +1. Then you can increase it, and then as you're hitting each crystal rock now, each one has its own value. Like right now, I'm having 32. Then my minimum here is 32, I guess, because if I tap outside of if I don't hit any rock, it's 16 for my tap. Do you get the point? So we'll talk about that later on. But first off, let's go and check in. Okay, let's first talk about this energy limit here. This energy limit is where you refill. It starts at 500, and from this boost, you can always increase it. You pay to increase it. So, okay, so here now is your daily check-in. These things were coming in, as then what each checklist was being carried out. So, daily, you come. This is day 2. I missed a day, so you reset to day 1. So you can see 15 days, it resets again to day 1. So you just collect that. So you have done that one. If you don't collect it, it will also disappear. So here now is the daily combo. If you tap on this one, jump is the daily combo. Okay, so you guess the correct sequence of cards to get bonus on this one. We'll do this one separately, as a video recording. Okay. So we'll be recording this. This is on the 1st of August. I'm recording this. So I'm going to be doing the one for August later on, but this video is just for the tutorial. So you take care of that. Here now you have the spaceship. The spin isn't available. Perhaps in the part 2 you see the spin. So this one is just about the spaceship where you fight. Okay, you just, let's say, do a little fight. These are you keep on shooting these things down. You keep on shooting them down, and we're gathering points. At some point, the speed of these will increase. So if any of them touches the rocket will be gone. So you don't allow them touch you. Just allow your to keep firing at them. Let them not touch your spaceship at all. Just keep on firing and gathering points. You can see that their speed is increasing gradually. That's the way they fight. They are very dangerous. Okay, so you don't allow them to touch your spaceship. Your spaceship should keep on firing and shooting them at sight. Look at here. Don't allow them to come close. Don't allow them come close. All right, you can dodge them if you can. If where you can't shoot, you just dodge them and continue. Look at that. So they have a way of coming so fast on you. So once they touch you, it's gone. You can see. So I have to escape. Okay, so you have to really be smart about it. So that's how to use this one. Once it touch any part of the spaceship, that is over. So you start all over. So and then your point is recorded for you. Go, come on, you can see I touched it. So 186. So that's about how this game is played. So I'm going to end it here. So we'll continue in the next part of the video. But before I go that, let me show you the end here. There are tasks you need to carry out. Whitebit is one of the partners for this program. Whitebit is an exchange, a centralized exchange. So you need to also, they have a Whitebit Airdrop too. So you need to carry out these tasks and open an account, register with Whitebit, verify it, and then get involved. Okay, so the KYC and all that. So you can also do this. You just click on start and then you go over to do this. So I have done mine, but I'll come back to collect it later on. Then you join the community. Okay. After this, you collect. I've not completed this one. All right. So this is about the first part of this. Get involved with this project, and if you tap on more, you see the daily rewards. You see the garage. You choose a model spaceship in the garage. So you can choose, see my rockets. See my rockets. The one I'm using now is this. This is the range. This is the one I'm using. I pass this, I drop this. This one I used it at some point. Once I grew to the stage, next stage it's collect. So I can actually, I think, I don't know if I can still use this. I think I can still use it because it's mine, right? I can use it. Like it will change, so it will change to this. Can see it. So that's the spaceship I'm using now. Okay, then I've changed it. So now next other thing now is you come back here again. You see the ranking. You see the global ranking, right? So this is my own position. Okay, this is the daily what I've mined so far. Total I've mined 132 million. I've mined. See my position 19,250 all over the world. Referral. I think I've not referred much people on this. To get started with this, actually, I remember I didn't mention that. So you can actually get started by getting a referral link in the description of this video so that you can get started. Yes, that's where you get started. Okay. All right. And then you have a shooter, which is the one I just showed you. We will distribute 10 billion crystals among the top 100,000 players on August 7th. Very important. So you need to do shooting quite often. Wow, can see what's going on here. So that means you need to take this more serious. So I think you should end there so they can do the part 2. Thank you very much. Go ahead, like this video and share it. Let others get to know. Let your friends and family know. And let's play the pocket rocket game to win. Thank you and God bless you.